The National Judicial Council (NJC) has recommended Hon Justice Joseph Oyewole, JCA, for appointment as a Justice of the Supreme Court, JSC, alongside 35 other candidates for various judicial offices across the Federation. The decisions were taken at NJC's 110th meeting held on Tuesday under the chairmanship of the Chief Justice of Nigeria, Kudirat Kekere-Ekun. Oyewole, who serves as the Presiding Justice of the Court of Appeal, PJCA, Enugu Division, was the sole nominee recommended for elevation to the Apex Court. In addition, the Council approved the appointment of 27 new judges to state high courts across Borno, Niger, Benue, Taraba, Plateau, Delta and Ekiti states, as part of efforts to strengthen judicial capacity and improve access to justice. The NJC also recommended 6 Khadis for appointment to the Sharia Courts of Appeal in Niger, Taraba and Katsina states, as well as 2 judges for the Customary Court of Appeal in Delta State. The recommendations followed what the Council described as a rigorous screening process, including public complaints consideration and interviews conducted in line with the 2023 Revised NJC Guidelines. Beyond appointments, the Council extended the tenure of the acting Chief Judge of Imo State, Hon. Justice Ijeoma Agugua, by 3 months, while urging Governor Hope Uzodimma to urgently constitute the State Judicial Service Commission to facilitate the appointment of a substantive Chief Judge. The NJC warned that prolonged delay could undermine judicial stability and independence in the state. In a major vindication, the NJC cleared the Chief Judge of Osun State, Justice Oyebola Ojo, of all allegations of financial recklessness, diversion of funds and judicial misconduct. It upheld the findings of an investigation committee, which found no evidence to support claims of misappropriation, abuse of office or breach of the Code of Conduct, and dismissed all petitions against him. Similarly, a petition against a Delta State High Court judge, Justice Gentu Timi, arising from a chieftaincy dispute, was dismissed after the petitioner formally withdrew the complaint following the resolution of the dispute. In another dramatic reversal, the Council set aside the 1-year suspension without pay earlier imposed on Justice Jane Inyang of the Court of Appeal, Uyo Division. The NJC ruled that the petition against the judge was filed outside the stipulated 6-month period and concerned a matter already under appeal at the time. Overall, the NJC reviewed 39 petitions against judicial officers, dismissing 26 for lack of merit, ordering further investigation into 7, and issuing cautions to 2 judges. On the administrative front, the NJC approved the voluntary retirement of 2 senior judicial officers, including the PJCA, Asaba Division, Justice Obientobara Daniel-Kalio. It also announced, with regret, the death of 2 judicial officers between November and December 2025, extending condolences to their families and the legal community.